There are some more settings which you can understand before you go and deploy an actual SMS send. The first setting is blackout window. Now the difference between SMS and email is emails can be delivered silently. They might not ring up your phone. There are plenty of emails which are promotional emails, which are updates regarding your products and services, which are categorized as forum emails, social emails, which are not delivered by ringing your phone. They are delivered silently, and even you don't get a notification for those emails. Only primary emails, one-on-one emails, you might get notifications, which are non-marketing emails. But generally Marketing Cloud will send marketing emails which are delivered silently. So for email, the phone would not be alerted, but when you send SMS would ring the phone. Whatever the SMS tone your customer has set, that tone would be used to ring the mobile. Now, if SMS is sent at inopportune time means the time which is not favorable. For example, in midnight, you are sending SMS, a promotional SMS, like 12 a.m., 1 a.m., 2 a.m. These times are called as inopportune time, or you are promoting your products and services in festive season in some private time of a particular person, then these times are called as inopportune time. And these might create a panic within the customer or might disturb a customer. If there are elder people like senior citizens, and you are ringing their phone at 2 a.m. in the midnight, that might trigger panic in them. If there are young people, you are disturbing their private space, sending SMS at inopportune time, 12 a.m. So any marketing which is done after 8 p.m. and before 8 a.m. is considered as inopportune time. Emails can be delivered silently, but SMS would ring up the phone. So to avoid system to send, or if you have a global marketing team who are not sure about the time zones, suppose you have a single Marketing Cloud account, but the Marketing Cloud is sending SMS at multiple time zones to multiple different countries. Our development team is sitting in India, but you are sending SMS to US, you are sending SMS to China, Europe, Australia. Everybody is having a different time zone. So this might create a panic among our customers, would not provide a good customer experience if you try to reach them at inopportune time. That is why we have a concept of blackout window, and which is the important question for your interview. What is a blackout window? Blackout window is a period during which your mobile connect account will not send outgoing messages. That means you can set an automated window that whenever somebody tries to send SMS, or is there any automation which sends SMS at this particular time, it is auto blocked. This feature prevents you to send SMS at inopportune time. A common example of blackout window is night and weekends. There might be some automations or journeys